What is up, everyone? We are here at New England Dragway in Epping, New Hampshire. And last time we were here, Dad went to the semifinals. And I have a feeling this weekend is going to be a good weekend. So this weekend we didn't bring the motorhome, so we're staying at this super cool Airbnb that's right on the beach. That's where all the drone footage from the intro came from. And so far I'm really liking New Hampshire. It's a really pretty place. There's trees everywhere. It honestly reminds me of Seattle. So today is Thursday. We've just been getting the circus set up and everything ready to go. And tomorrow, hopefully, we go racing so long as it doesn't rain. So let's have a good weekend here in New Hampshire. While it's raining and sucky here at the track, we're working on building a spare rear end for the funny car.
This is Chief Rear End Specialist Anthony. He's polishing.
So we're going through and putting all the studs in right now. Then we'll put the plates on, and I honestly don't know what's next, but we'll find out. Okay, so now we're gonna polish it. This is the little bit that I've polished, and this is the rest of it. We're gonna make it all look shiny and nice. I didn't say anything. Now we're taking the end caps off so that we can put the axle in. Alright, so we put the axle shaft in, and we're gonna finish putting it back together and put it upstairs and away and get the funny car out.
On gasoline before I pull this. Okay. I'll make sure we're good. Okay. Here we go.
end up running either car during the first session, and that's because the funny car was running weird and it sounded weird, and Dad didn't want to do anything that we might end up hurting it. And we figured out with the dragster that the oil rings on the pistons were leaking and letting a bunch of oil up into the intake. So it was running on half oil, which made it run really bad. You should have seen the cloud of nitro that was there. But we got the dragster taken apart and put back together. It's ready to warm up, and I am currently sitting in the funny car because we are fixing to warm it up.
Shake and bake. Ready?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Okay, so we just got up in the lanes with the funny car. Today has been crazy, and I haven't gotten really to film anything. We had the reverser break on the warm-up, so we had to warm the funny car up twice. But we are up here for Q2, and hopefully both the dragster and the funny car run well. Alright, so we just ran a 549 with the funny car. We're gonna go get it, service it, and get back up here for hopefully a better run during the second session. Alright, we're up here on the line for the round one with the dragster. Got clicked off at about half track because there were cylinders out on the left side. We couldn't have outrun force on the run that he made, so we're gonna go tear down the pit, and we'll do it again in a few weeks in Bristol. So I feel like right where we are is a good spot to end off the video. Racing this weekend did not go the greatest, but we came up here to see Dad's mom, who lives up in Maine, while we were in the area, and we're just wandering around and seeing all the sights and everything, and this is a really pretty area. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, all those YouTube-y things, and I'll see y'all in Bristol.